Hey everybody, I'm Tara from Crooked Row, and today the whole family, well except my husband because he's at work, but the whole family is here and we're gonna do our annual teepee planting. Every single year we put up a teepee with some of our extra wood where we have like pruned one of our trees, and we utilize that and we put up a teepee. We won't have the netting done today, but we're gonna go ahead and plant. The netting's not gonna come until tomorrow with Amazon, but we're gonna go ahead and plant and put up the teepee and just kind of lash together some branches to just do kind of a crude one. We're gonna do it right here. This is right outside what we call our salad bowl. We always put it in this area, but we're gonna have to clean up first. As you can see, there's kind of stuff all over the place, and right here in this mound is usually where we plant it, but we're gonna go ahead and plant. I just picked these up at Tractor Supply. We're gonna plant Morning Glory Party Dress and Heavenly Blue. I like the pink ones, my husband likes the blue ones, so we plant both. And so we're gonna get started with cleanup and then how to put the teepee together. Okay, so now Elijah and Christopher, if he can, is gonna go around where each pole is, and they don't need huge holes. I'm not sure what you're doing, Elijah. We just need one little divot to put in there so that they're more stable. Elijah, right where they are. Like Christopher just did his. It's just to make them a little bit more stable because, as you can see, ours is going to be the Leaning Tower of Pisa this year. Okay guys, it is a hot one today. It's actually, I mean, I think it's like, what is it, 91 or 92? But it's like a bazillion % humidity, so we are all sweating. This is actually very sweaty, yucky work. So here we go. I'm gonna flip the camera around. So sorry, I have sweat like pouring in my eyes, so I keep like doing my eyes. So the boys made nice of all around the teepee. This soil looks great, except for this clump right here. So I'm going to, you want to plant these 6 inches apart, about a ½ an inch down. I know some people do it 2 inches, but I think that's too deep. And we have really beautiful morning glories every single year. So I just go ahead and make a furrow. Okay, now if you're smart, you will soak your morning glory seeds. I was not smart and I did not, but here's what the morning glory seeds look like. A lot of people will like take a file or something and nick the shell. I never am prepared like that, so I always just plant them, and we have a great teepee every single year. So I like to put 2 in, so there's 1, 2, about 6 inches. 1, 2, 1, oops, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, woo! Can you hear the thunder? Wow, that's incredible. Okay, and I have plenty left in my seed packet. And then I'm gonna get out the Heavenly Blue, and I'm going to do the rest like that. Oh God, the stinging in my eyes is incredible. So after I do that though, right here in this cup, I have some biotone, no, not biotone, garden tone. And I'm just going to fertilize them a bit. You can also go ahead and throw in bone meal, which we do, over top of that. Missy, you want to hand me the bone meal?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Stop.
And so I just like to sprinkle some bone meal in there. The bone meal is not fast, so and then I'm just going to cover my row over, and then we're going to water really well. So I'm going to finish out this row, and then the kids will start theirs. Well, there you have it. That is our yearly chore that we all do together. I think that by the time we do this 10 more times, you guys will know how to do it, right?
Absolutely.
And every year I have to re-explain how to plant morning glories. Every year. So this is why we tape it and we put it out, so that when I am gone and they have their own families, they'll remember how their mom taught them how to plant morning glories. But that is actually going to be an absolutely beautiful spot in the garden, especially late in the season when everything is kind of getting yucky. That is when that just like comes alive, and there's beautiful. Last year we had purple trumpet shaped flowers. This year it's going to be pink and blue. It is just a gorgeous thing. Now, as far as before anyone starts making fun of our lashings, we already know that we don't lash properly and that we need to learn this skill. And my boys were even in Boy Scouts, so it was just, you were in Cub Scouts.
Yeah.
But they didn't teach me anything.
Yeah. So it is extraordinarily hot here, guys, and this was a labor of love for us today, wasn't it, guys?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, absolutely.
Even Sayla's sweating. Jed, we lost Jed to the air conditioning. He ran in as soon as we cut tape. So remember, guys, if we can build a family teepee, anybody can. Thanks.
Bye.
Bye.